What is up, you guys? It's your boy CA Corey back with another video. So this was gonna be a short one. Damn, this was gonna be kind of a short video, but just on the highway POV. Let's get some music going. That guy's moving.
I need it, I'm feeding. This little bitch is a demon. I want it, I need it. Put it so good, therapeutic. If she got shit together, you know I'ma breed it. She don't got shit together, you know she gon' keep it. More of the story, you never could dump in the streets, bitch. Every time she tell me she love me, I never believe it. At a point my heart so cold, I need it. At a point my heart so cold, it be freezing. She ain't tight to wipe your nose, like she sneezing. She the type to write your phone, blow it up, you feeling. I'm the type to watch her core, I like I ain't see it. Like, she the type of thighs, so that I like see intuition. Fist opposing, but I'm really creeping. We can make a video, you can link it. She be liking when I spread her legs open, I range open, and I eat it. And you know that pussy be the best, you can call me Michael J the way I beat it. Yeah, for sure, bitch. No, I like when you suck, when you bitch. When your wife on that cocky, it's so perfect. Pussy so good, make a nigga nervous. I like when you come and get the squirting. I like just to come and put that work in. You know me, I put my thumb in it on purpose. Papa hit it and give me in my Birkin. This bitch is a demon, she get horny for no reason. She eating it up while I'm on the way to the meeting. Her pussy got power just like me, I need it. If she got her shit together, I still ain't gon' breed it. I'm going to work in her mouth like I'm a dentist. Hit her off with a backhand, ain't no flaws in my tennis. The shorty a creep, she just wanna know my fetish. And every time I splash in her, I regret it. You got control on me, baby girl, I'm fiending. I'm the type to hit your phone, act like I don't need it. She the type to slime you out, pussy undefeated. I'm the type she wildin' out, tell her bitch to beat it. You taking boomerangs at dinner. Put my chain on you, I'm a fencer. They ain't doing well, they be taking L's. Fuck on me, baby, I'm a winner. I'ma beat it up till the sun coming up, tryna fall asleep in her. Yeah, for sure, bitch. No, I like when you suck, when you slurp it. Way your wine, kinda cocky, you're so perfect. Pussy so good that it made me nervous. I like when you come and get to squirting. I like just to come and put that work in. You know me, I put my thumb in it on purpose. Papa hit it and they get me in my Birkin.
I hate when it shows a cop, but then when you finally get there, there is no cop there. Like, I don't really see the point. What's the point of saying there's a cop, but then there's really no cop there? I don't get it. I don't get it. Someone else was telling me I should up my pressure to 32. I don't know, I feel like since I've always had it around like 28, 29, my car never really had no problems, or like it never really like ran weird. But damn, I want to cut up, but I'll be stuck behind these people. Come on, come on.
right side, she still want me to glove on. I do you right every time you tell me that you done wrong. Baby girl, in my bed, you got that fast stuff that I'm stuck on. Upside with the upside, everybody going up now. Battles all getting rushed down. Everybody jump up now. Everybody that's a little out like it's bad that they getting touched down. Don't time for the rush now. Big deal. Baddest in the room when you coming through. I heard it's the best. I hope that it's true.
And this be from Cash, not from YouTube.
Hope it's true. Hope it's true. I wanna please somebody, inspire, spend your money too. I wanna do it all day, do it on one and do it on all. I wanna do it on sight, you already know it's not what I do. Late night, I love everybody, baby, I wanna get in your room. I got that great bike for the date night, baby, tell me what you wanna do. Fuck all of my other things, they say not true. Y'all niggas not my business, only you.
With Squarespace, you can turn any idea into a reality.
I have a question for other people that got rims before. I don't know, it's like my car, it drives good, but it doesn't drive like how it did stock, if that makes any sense. Like, I feel like it drives good, but not as good as when my stock rims were on. Like, I don't know. Maybe I just gotta get used to how it drives with the new wheels on, but I don't know, man. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get used to it. Oh, look at C8 right there. Look at that C8. Damn, why does everybody stop so short? It's like it forces you to be in that fast lane, like, because I hate having to go all the way over just to come all the way back. That's the one thing. It's the one thing I hate about this thing, bro. I gotta go all the way over just to come back. But yeah, I'm thinking of raising the air pressure in this car to 32, and I just want to see if it makes a difference. Like right now, my front and the back passenger is on 32. Do I know how it's gonna be? Not really. I don't really know if it's gonna make a difference driving or whatnot. I don't know. I hope not, but it might. Yeah, I'm gonna go put some air in these tires, bro. Damn, is that a cop? We're gonna just chill out for a minute, cause I don't know if it's a cop, if it's, what is that? Yep, I knew it. Damn. Ooh, 2 troopers back to back. One on the exit. Oh my gosh. Whew. I'm not gonna lie though, like as far as cops in Florida are pretty chill for the most part. If you ask anybody, because most cops down here are like car guys, or they've been around cars, or they really like cars, so they don't really give you too much of a headache. It's the troopers. The troopers don't care about nothing you gotta say. They just say license and registration, and they print that ticket. So but yeah, I've been getting approached by different shops about partial sponsorships for the rap, but I just want everyone to notice, and this is not anything towards anybody or anything, I'm not doing a sponsorship unless you're covering it. I'm keeping it real. Like, unless you're paying for the full thing, that's the only way I'm getting it done. Because I could go do it myself. So what's so special about getting a partial wrap, you know? If I have the means to go do it myself, then there's nothing special about it. So to anyone out there that wants to sponsor the car or wants to give me something to promote and be a sponsor, listen, cover the full thing. We can make anything happen as long as you cover it. I'll promote and I'll make sure I put your name out there on all my social media platforms. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. I'm not, all these people, like, I don't think influencers in general or people on these apps realize when you promote people, you can literally bring them so much money. Them giving you the product is like, okay, whatever. But as far as like you promote, like one promotion could literally change the whole business and have them go up like crazy. So that's why I feel like it's just so different, because the companies get to benefit so much more than the person posting. The person posting, you know, one or two people might be like, okay, that's dope, but that's really it. It's the businesses that get the most publicity, and you know, so that's what I'm saying. But yeah, man, all right, let's find a way out of here, because people can't drive. Hate that. But yeah, guys, I'm about to be stuck in this little traffic over here, so but yeah, I'm about to be stuck in this little traffic or whatever. But I will let you guys know how it goes. I'll let you guys follow the video. I'll show you if changing out the air really did help or if it didn't really do anything. So I will keep you guys posted. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.